We bought a home about 3 years ago and have been in the process of upgrading the original circa 1999, last millennia design. When I was house shopping, 3 things really impressed me. 1. A nice range, exhaust hood. 2. A nice fireplace brick. 3. A nice fan. I think these things really make a home stand out. I have always felt the fan in the living area was too small and a bit dated looking. This was over 10 inches wider and makes a huge difference. So bigger fans move more air without making as much noise. You can tell immediately the better performance, quieter and much more air moving. The leaves on the plants rustle. It's whisper quiet on even the high mode. So this is the first fan I've ever installed. I am an experienced IKEA furniture builder and I did not have any issues putting this in. It took me less than 2 hours, but I am careful and a perfectionist. Quality is really good, better than the Hunter fan that I replaced. Solid motor housing and glass light fixture. I used the down rod B. See, I was reading online, when you have a high ceiling you have to use a down rod, otherwise it doesn't work well. I was able to use the existing mounting bracket in the ceiling to secure the fan, which saved time. The instructions were easy to follow, including the wiring step. It can even be done with one person. The few issues: removing the fan blade mounting blocks. I didn't notice that there was a cutout that you could use a screwdriver straight to remove, and adding the fan blades after the fan is in the ceiling took some doing, with holding the blade with one hand and using a Phillips with the other hand. The other is the lamp fixture bends easily, so after you mount the glass cover, it takes some doing to get the cover bent so it is aligned to the whole fan. Bowl is parallel to the ceiling. I am going to get a lot of compliments on it for years to come. Only thing now is I have to try to match the color design a bit when I upgrade the rest of the area, but we were already planning to do the adjacent kitchen in a gray which matches the blades. I also carried over my custom fan poles that look like a light and a fan blade. This is a nice, large fan. It's high quality, look and feel, and looks great in our bedroom. It was packaged really well and was easy to assemble. The blades are reversible. We chose dark brown, but we could have reversed them if we preferred gray. Great choice for a fan in a big room. I selected 2 ceiling fans from this brand for my new home. There were fans already installed, but they were old and didn't have lights. The smaller, 3-blade fan was a real pain to install. Click link in description for more reviews.